Hi everybody, I am doing something I have done in a long time on this channel for over a year, maybe almost 2 years now, but I'm doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you can see, that ribbon just fell because I already opened this bag. I've already used it. Yeah, that's my makeshift ribbon. Trying to make it, yeah, it's not gonna work. Anyways, took that ribbon off. Oh my goodness, this is something you're probably never gonna guess I would get because I never thought I would get it, but nonetheless I'm excited to have her. She is gorgeous. Take her down. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Okay, so Louis Vuitton dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I love her so much. So this is the Louis Vuitton twist one handle in the color saffron, pretty sure that's what it's called, and it's this gorgeous yellow orange-ish tone with obviously the gold hardwares, and it's a top handle as well with the straps. So this strap is actually very similar to the Noe, which I don't have, but I've tried it on in store. So this has 4 different strap lengths, and I could show you guys later on, but this is she. This is such an amazing color, and I've been looking for this color, preferably Hermes. So I asked my SA for a Kelly 25 in an orange or a John Ombre, which is my dream color. Like, that color is just, you look at it and it just brings you happiness. But this color did the same for me. And I also want to note that this bag is heavy. Yes, it's heavy, but I just want to show size comparison. Oops. This is my Birkin 25 Togo leather, and this is my twist. Very, very similar. The only thing is this don't have feet and this does have feet. This has a shorter arm. Why am I spacing out right now? This has a smaller top handle. As for this, you can definitely wear it at the crook of your arm. And looking at it this way, they don't look very different, but to me it just seems like this is bigger because the fact that the top handle is bigger. Does that make sense? But size wise, if that helps, they're very similar in size. And I know you guys can't try on a Birkin 25 in store, but if that's something you're after, definitely try this on and just imagine that it's a smaller top handle. But yeah, this is such an amazing color. I love it. It's stunning. It is heavy. It's heavier than my Birkin 25, which that one is also lined in leather, but this, maybe this is double lined, but it also does have compartments, so I can do a what's in my bag too. So this has a zipper compartment at the front, a slip compartment in the back, and it comes with this super cute, very convenient mirror. And I also like the fact that the D-rings up here are even. So unlike the Capucine where it's kind of uneven, this would sit very evenly against your body. And I just love this twist. But it's like this really nice grained pebble. Don't mind my finger. It just literally broke as I'm loading up laundry right now. But this is so satisfying. Anyways, so we open it up and let's see what's in my bag. As you can see, I don't have any, I don't really carry much of anything, but you could potentially put plenty more than what I currently have. I don't usually. We just came from brunch, so this is literally what I brought with me. So I have my eyeglasses, and if you guys are interested, I have a coupon code down below. This is Firmu Optical. And yes, they're prescription, and I have a 50% discount code. I'll link in the bio down below, so go shop them. I love all their frames. I'm definitely gonna buy more, but this is so nice. It's very flattering on my very round face, and it's gold. It's gold with like a ombre gradient purple. So pretty. So I just have, so you could opt and think that this could be potentially your sunglasses, versus mine is my eyeglasses. I also did have my sunglasses here, but I left it in my car, so I had two, so that could fit. I have a changing pad. I have a diaper. I have pack of wipes in a Ziploc bag. I just have my keys and my card holder. So that's literally everything that I fit in here, but you could definitely put weight. It is fairly heavy. It has some weight to it, so just be aware of that. If you're in an area where you're able to try it on, definitely try it on, especially if you have more of a, I don't know, like back problems or shoulder issues. Definitely try it on before you make the plunge and purchase it. Actually, this is very, very, very expensive as far as Louis Vuitton. Like, it's the most I would ever spend at Louis Vuitton. But I don't know, the color is just amazing, and I love it so much. And I've always liked the twist line. It's this maneuver and closure is gorgeous, and I'm a top handle flap shoulder strap type of person anyway, so it was a no-brainer. I do love it very much. I do wish it had feet at the bottom for the price that it is. This currently retails in the United States for $48.50. After tax, I would have paid probably $5,500 for it, but I got this pre-owned and I purchased it for just under $2,800. So that's about a 40 to 45% off retail. So I thought that was a pretty good win. But yeah, I love her, and let's try on some mod shots. So this is how it looks. I'm 4'11". I don't know if it'll capture the whole frame, but I'm 4'11", 5 foot-ish, and I'm a size 10, 12 on the bigger side. So this is just how it looks top handle. And with the shorter strap level, and this is actually very comfortable on the shoulders. I have very weird, like, broad slash slanted shoulders, and I find them to be quite comfortable. Okay, so this is how it is on the next length, which is a little bit longer. So as you can see, I can wear it cross-body. Here's my breast. If you open it, yes, it kind of is under, like literally right under there, but I do like my cross-bodies a little shorter, so I like that. And then on the longest, come on. This is how it is on the longest. I don't like my crossbodies hanging this low, like it's literally on my thigh. Like, no, I don't like that. But if you were taller, that would probably work best for you. So again, that's the longest. And then you go a little shorter. I think this is a really good happy medium also. And it's just snap button closures right there. But personally, yeah, I wear it like this at the crook of my arm. It just looks classier and fancier depending on what type of outfit you have on. But I have this chiffon-ish top and some leather pants, and I was wearing some boots earlier, and I do love it. It just brings a pop of color to an outfit, and it's just amazing. I love it so much. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.